Hi, I would like to show you our latest tool, Create Character One Shot. It allows you to both generate a character with rotations animations from scratch, but also generate rotations and animations for your existing characters. If you want to generate a character from scratch, you can leave the south, east and north image empty. If you want to generate based on your existing characters, set your character to the corresponding image. Currently there are two animations, a walking animation and a attacking animation. In the future I will be adding more. Currently I'm thinking maybe a spell casting animation and some special effects like a fireball and also a running animation. But of course join the Discord and give suggestions. Maybe some like mining animations could be fun. Other things I will be looking to implement after a bit of testing is 128 by 128 image size support, and also all 8 directions like southeast, northeast, and etc. Something that is good to note is that when you're generating quadrupedals at the moment, sometimes the start image is a bit, it doesn't perfectly follow the direction, so you can just click try again until it's like facing east for the first image, and then just double check that the next image is facing south and the last one is facing north. If it doesn't work, just click try again, and hopefully after like 2 tries it will do it correctly. But yeah, don't forget there's also the animate with text and animate with skeleton, which you can use to create your own things as well, to create your own animations in your own touch. You can also use animate with skeleton to edit the generations you see here. So if you think like the arm should move a bit more forward, you can estimate skeleton, move it a bit, and then just generate a improved version on your own. Alright, let's go through how to use your character as a reference. So set the corresponding image for that direction, and you can check the UI to make sure that it's correct. And once you're happy, just double check the camera view, you can click generate, and off you go. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have fun trying out the tool. If you have any suggestions or like improvements or things you would like to see, feel free to leave a comment here in the YouTube channel or joining the Discord and give suggestions in the feedback channel. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.